Welcome everyone, Team 7 on another adventure here at Universal Volcano Bay. It is the 4th of July. We're just a glutton for punishment. Well, by the time you see this, it'll be probably the 5th or the 6th, most likely the 6th. So, hope everyone had a fun and safe 4th of July. Happy birthday, America. Off we go, Volcano Bay. Join us.
So, everyone's now having fun. Tapu Tapu is your key to all today's activities. Once you access the virtual world for each attraction you want to ride, activate interactive surprises throughout the park, even make cashless purchases from merchandise. Once inside the park, you'll tap in to Tapu Tapu attraction entries. Your Tapu Tapu will display a return time indicating when you can come back and enter that attraction. Your that attraction's virtual park transfer free to play will not expire or support until your Tapu Tapu loads. When your Tapu Tapu takes its time, you can head back to your attraction. Tap into your next attraction so you will always have a return time after your Tapu Tapu. Remember, you can only have one leg of your Tapu Tapu at a time. If you find another attraction you can tap in and switch your return time to that attraction instead. Also, when you see an attraction whose sign reads "Right Now," you can order that without losing your existing return time. So keep an eye out for attractions that say "Live Now." And one more thing, when you exit Volcano Bay, you will have to return your Tapu Tapu. You can leave the park, but your Tapu Tapu can't. If you have an issue or need specific assistance with your Tapu Tapu, please visit one of the locations located throughout the park. If you would like to help about say purchases, life information, or any other questions, be sure to ask one of our local team members. We'll be happy to assist you. We'll be engaging our destination all the time. From our guests at Universal Orlando Resort, have a great day. Volcano Bay.
Walkway to Volcano Bay. Can you go up here? Oh, look.
It says walk. Oh,
That's walkway. Come up that way through the walkway. If you come through the walkway, you're gonna come up through there.
While the other people go on the escalator.
Fancy meeting you here too. Do you come here often?
Nah, not really.
We're in. There goes the drop slide right there. Where you want to go first? Let's go find out where.
We need to find somewhere to put our stuff.
Okay.
And then Kayla should answer my family should have a flight first.
Okay.
There's a bunch of things
Yeah,
with
let's.
umbrellas.
Yeah.
I guess if you're going on a
Oh.
ride, yeah.
The expansion area for Volcano Bay. Now here we are. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All over the lights. That better? We'll see in the editing phase. Right here. It's funny when you get to my age where you'll ride anything. The only problem is walking up all those stairs. That's more of a deterrent than the actual ride. Don't get old.
Round. Wait.
Oh, it's a trapdoor speed slide. That's on the mountain, yeah.
On the mountain, that's how very tall.
What are we waiting for? Why don't we just walk towards it?
Okay. Right now the
Teardrop raft ride right now. So whatever that is, that's where we're going.
teardrop and salsa raft ride. You can go
Whatever it says right now, that's where we're going.
Yeah, I think it's used to because they were next to each other. And they were saying people.
And there's so many people.
Yeah, I think it's 4 people.
Okay, so far, early impressions. I'm liking this. I'm liking this tapu thing too.
This is nice.
I just wish I can purchase one. I have my own, but it's pretty awesome.
It is.
What do you think?
It's awesome because we made a reservation for like a ride for like 50 minutes. Like we have to wait, and it's notifying me. It says 25 minutes. Oh, I just spit. It says 25 minutes left. So now it's just gonna notify me every time that like.
And what do you do while you're waiting for the ride to notify you?
You can go on other rides that say ride now. But if it has a wait time, you can't go because you have to switch your time thing. Yeah.
Okay, off we are. We are on our way to Krakatoa water coaster. Just got off Krakatoa. What is it called? Aqua Coaster. Outstanding. Outstanding. That's an amazing ride. That is an outstanding ride. Technology in that. You actually go faster uphill than you do downhill. It's pretty cool. So. There's the cabanas back there. Next time we come here, if we come here with a large group, get ourselves a cabana. See if it works here. Because we're not switching. See you in 40 minutes. Yeah.
Put it.
Go.
40 minutes. Look at it. What's that? Say 40 minutes?
Yep. I got it. Yeah, I'm thinking we're going to have to get out of here.
We can just go in the...
What cabana?
Up there.
Yep. Typical Florida fashion. Inclement weather is approaching. We're going to have a meteorological event. Okay, so we are back on the bus.
Oh, I think this on over here. Oh, yeah.
We're back on the bus. Headed out. Drive down on just get some meat. I guess we're going to get some meat on it. We'll see where the day takes us. As always, reoccurring theme. Okay, so we just left Chewy's on I-Drive because nothing says Happy Birthday America like some Mexican food. Well, Tex-Mex. Okay, so we are home now. We're gonna end the vlog there. I guess we're gonna play on the inflatable for a little bit. But we're also gonna watch a movie. And we're watching Blockers. We're gonna watch Blockers, play on the inflatable, have fun in the pool. So we're gonna end the video here. Once again, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, just hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time we upload a video, just hit the notification icon. Also, thanks everyone for watching the videos. We really do appreciate it. And deuces. Okay, quick update on our pool shenanigans with the inflatable. Womp, 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 womp. He didn't make it.